Welcome to the Philips Strand Lighting 500 ml video tutorial series, the 500 ml built for moving lights. This tutorial covers working with masters. Now masters work like remote controls. You may assign different objects to masters and configure them independently in terms of button and fader configuration. These assignments are stored for each master and are not linked to the object the master is connected to. That means that you may assign the same single cue list to multiple masters and configure each master differently. So if you press the Assign key and then select a master's go or pause button, you'll get the Assign Master Fader screen. This will allow you to assign a Grandmaster, a Speed Master, or a Fade Master. If you choose to assign a Grandmaster, the way the fixtures are patched and how they're set up in the fixture library will determine if they are affected by a Grandmaster. You'll notice there are multiple speed masters as well as multiple fade masters that can be assigned. These are actually identical to each other but allow you to change the settings to get a different response. So we can assign a speed master by hitting the Assign button, pressing the master's go, and then selecting Speedmaster 1. Now let's go to edit that Speedmaster. Press the Edit key and select the Just Assigned Master's Go or Pause Back button. The Edit Speed screen will appear and show you that you have your Go button and the enter time, the Pause button and its enter time, fader, fader options, fetch mode, and your flash button that can all be assigned. Many of those have a pull down and you can just click on that and it will open up the pull down so you see the options. Essentially the Go button and time will allow you to change the Go button's function and the time of the response. The Pause button and its time will allow you to change its function and time of response. The fader will determine if it's a speed master or if it's disabled. The fader option function is fetch mode. Fetch mode is especially useful if more than one fader page is used. When fetch mode is enabled for a fader, the console will save the current fader's values when changing the fader page. When you change back to that page where this object resides on the fader, you will have to reach this value before any fader movement is recognized. And the fader button allows you to change its function from the pull down. I want to thank you for watching this Philips Strand Lighting training video on the 500 ml console. Stay tuned for more videos.